This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Shock absorber, coil spring assembly, front replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Set the parking brake and block the rear wheels. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, raise the vehicle, and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Unscrew the nut and disconnect the stabilizer bar link from the lower control arm. Place a floor jack under the lower control arm to support it for when the damper fork is removed. Remove the damper fork pinch bolt. Remove the damper fork to lower control arm, through bolt, and nut. Remove the damper fork. It may be necessary to gently tap the fork off of the shock absorber. Remove the 5 upper shock absorber mounting bolts. Before removing the assembly, leave 1 upper nut installed to prevent the shock from falling. Support the shock assembly, remove the remaining upper nut, then carefully remove the assembly from the fender well. Guide the shock absorber assembly up into the fender well and insert the 5 upper mounting studs through the holes in the body. Once the studs protrude from the holes, install the nuts so the assembly won't fall back through, but don't tighten the nuts completely yet. The shock absorber is heavy and awkward, so get an assistant to help you if possible. Install the damper fork fully onto the shock absorber lower shaft, tapping it in place if necessary. The gap at the top of the fork must meet up with the notch on the shock absorber shaft. Insert the damper fork pinch bolt. Insert the damper fork to lower control arm, through bolt, and nut. Raise the lower control arm to simulate normal ride height. Tighten the damper fork to lower control arm nut to the specified torque setting. Tighten the damper fork pinch bolt to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack from the lower control arm. Install the front wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Unblock the rear wheels. Tighten the shock upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front strut assembly.